Here we have a privacy screen which covers over the main bed in the Johanna. So it zips up all the way around here. So let's unzip it and have a look. Zips up one side, zips up the other, and now that's free hanging. There's a couple of loops at the top so you can roll that up. And there's a tag here. It's on one side. There's a tag on the other. And this side section is permanently sewn into the side of the cabin, so the zipper will open and close when you need it. When it comes to closing up, make sure that you've unzipped this section of canvas. Don't close it with it rolled up at the top because you may crush the zipper. So unzip it, undo the hooks and have it all hanging down.